In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily copy and paste objects across your documents, whether it's a vector shape, a block of text, or even a group of designs. This simple but essential skill can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort, especially when working on multiple projects or juggling various elements in your designs. So, let's dive in. Imagine you're working on a design project and you've just created the perfect vector shape or text object. Now you want to replicate this elsewhere without having to start from scratch. The first step is to select the object or objects you'd like to copy. This could be anything from a single vector shape to a more complex group of elements. Being able to select the right objects will ensure that you're copying exactly what you need without any extra or unwanted parts. Once your selection is ready, the next step is all about using the copy command. You have a couple of options here. You can use the Edit menu at the top of your screen by choosing Edit and then Copy. But if you're a fan of shortcuts and saving time, you might prefer using the keyboard commands. If you're working on a Windows device, the shortcut you'll want to use is Ctrl+C. For those on a Mac, you'll use CMD+C. Mastering these shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow, and soon they'll become second nature. Now that you've copied the object, the next thing you need to do is navigate to the location where you want to paste this object. This could be in the same document if you're looking to duplicate items, or perhaps in an entirely different document if you're organizing or working on multiple files. Getting comfortable moving between documents or different sections of a project makes transferring information much more efficient. Once you've arrived at your chosen location, it's time to paste the object. Again, you can go back to the Edit menu and select Edit and then Paste. But if you've already started using shortcuts, go ahead and keep going. For Windows users, Ctrl+V is your command to make this magic happen, while Mac users will be using CMD+V. Once executed, you should see your copied object appear right where you want them. There you have it. By following these steps, you can quickly and effortlessly copy and paste objects in all your documents, ensuring you can focus more on creativity and less on repetitive tasks. Keep practicing, and soon this will become a seamless part of your everyday workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing your productivity.